I've designed this wallet I'd like to sell as a kit. It's probably the easiest wallet you could ever make, well, with the help of the laser cutter. You could cut it out by hand, but why bother when machines do the work for you and better than you? Let's see how long it takes me to make this from start to finish. It took the laser about 2 minutes to cut all the parts we need. Well, just this one. If you make something without writing your name on it, did you really make it? The design is super simple. It has all the holes ready to go, and you just fold it twice and stitch each end. You can stitch the wallet a whole bunch of different ways, but I'm just going to stick with what I like. So for this we just need one needle, but I'm going to double up the thread to make it a bit thicker. I'm going to put a knot on the end, and then burn the end just to stop it fraying, and we're ready to go. Each fold has the same number of holes down each side, and there's a gap that indicates where to fold. It's super simple. I'm going to start on the inside of the wallet to hide the knot, then loop around and stitch all 3 layers together in the first hole. Pull it through, but before we get to the end, I'm going to put the needle back through this loop. Then from there, it's just stitch, knot, stitch, knot, stitch, knot. This is what the stitch looks like. There's probably a name for this stitch, and I'm probably doing it wrong, but I got here by trial and error, so if you know what it's called, let me know in the comments. At the end, we just poke the string over the top, knot it to the last thread on the inside, then cut and burn. Repeat everything on the other side. We just need to stitch here, 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 here. You get the point. In less than 20 minutes, I've made a brand new wallet, but the design did take me days to get right. This is the end result. A super slim, super lightweight wallet. It holds up to 12 cards, 3 in each pocket. I didn't bother with a coin pouch because, well, my money don't jiggle jiggle. And with the current rate of inflation, coins will be obsolete by the end of next week. Bye!